Will I ever use this? Is a common question asked by students that examines the value of mathematics. When students see content as valueless, it shouldn't be a surprise that students disengage and lack motivation to learn math. Motivation is grounded in relevancy. So why would a student want to learn something that appears to be irrelevant? A simple answer like yes isn't enough anymore. Students have too many time consuming options like video games, social media, movies, television series, comic books, sports, and part time jobs that compete for their attention. From a high level viewpoint, math helps with attention to detail, improved problem solving skills, spatial reasoning, such as visualization, confidence, and critical thinking. These are functional life skills. In section 4 of Unit 1, we will subtract integers. We have 5 minus 4. On the number line, with subtraction, we move to the left with subtracting a positive number. Now we will subtract negative 4 minus 2. With negative 4 minus 2, we go 2 spaces to the left on the number line. In this example, we have 4 minus negative 1. Well, 4 minus negative 1 on the number line, move to the right, one space. Think of it as getting rid of the negative because you're subtracting or taking away one negative. And finally, we have negative 4 minus negative 2. And similar to the last example, you have a negative being subtracted or taken away. So we will move 2 spaces to the right of negative 4 because we've eliminated negative 2 for subtraction. Go to the links in the bio if you want a copy of the free Algebra Workbook. It provides more examples if necessary.